Want to draw and paint but stuck at the blank page? Follow me. You sit down to create something, but nothing comes. No ideas, no direction. The page is so white and so perfect, you don't want to waste it. In this class, we are going to change that. Hi, I'm Fab. I'm a watercolor artist and an online teacher, and I have helped thousands of students to start painting even when they felt completely stuck. My goal is simple: making art feel approachable, relaxing, and something that you can actually do, not overthink. In this class, I will show you a simple way to break the blank page using just one pattern and one color from your watercolor set. Learning this is important because once you know how to start, everything else becomes easier. And by the end of this class, you will have a repeatable way to get back into painting anytime you feel stuck. This class is based on something I created called Fab Patterns, a collection of simple patterns I use in my own work. I made it to remove the pressure from abstract painting and turn it into something anyone can enjoy. This class is perfect for beginners, hobby artists, or anyone who wants to get back into painting without feeling overwhelmed. You don't need much to get started, just some watercolors, pen, paper, and willingness to stay creative. We will go through this as a 5-day challenge where each day you will paint a tiny painting using one color and one pattern. That's enough. Along the way, you will learn how to build texture, stay consistent, and most importantly, keep going without overthinking. For your project, you will create at least one tiny painting, or you will go in and create all 5. I heard that Jack has a special surprise for those who complete the set. I'm talking about these tiny paintings. That was the vanilla version of your class project. If you are feeling a bit more adventurous, you can choose the spicy route and get a chance to win a 1-year Skillshare membership. If this drew your attention, make sure to watch the next video for more information. So, if you ever thought, I want to paint but I don't know where to start, you're in the right place. Let's get started.